Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of All Things Cut and Craft. I'm Abiola and you're welcome. If you are new and you're seeing me for the very first time, I want to welcome you into this family. You're in the right place. You want to learn more about Cricut and everything you cut and craft, you're actually in the right place. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make this cute shirt. Yeah, this is going to be a fun project, so you don't want to go anywhere. I'll be back very soon. So for this project we need a white shirt. I got this from Hobby Lobby and it's $8 something. Then we also need a green iron-on. I also got it from Hobby Lobby. I think it's on sale, 50% off. Then we need a weeder, a scraper, mat, Cricut mat, then tape. We also need a trimmer, and another important supply is a heat press right there. And I also will be using my Cricut Maker machine. Then we need this green standard grip mat. The measuring tape, I'll be measuring what my design will be on the shirt. Then I will open up the iron, then cut it out. From there I'll go to design space and my phone, and here it is. This is how design space looks like. Then I'll click canvas, go to upload. Then from upload I'll go to pick from the library. So here I have it. This design I already have on my photo library. So I need a design somewhere else. So as I promised, I'll be sharing the SVG with you guys. So just keep watching. You get to know how I do that at the end of the video. So I get this into the design space. So I'm just going to be sizing it up. You go to edit and then you unlock the button, then you size it up. I'm going to be doing 8 by 8 because it's looking like a square. So I'll be doing 8 by 8 on my white sheet. From there I click make it. Then for this project you want to mirror, so do not forget that you always want to mirror while doing iron on. So then I'll select an accessory, which is my Maker 3, 2, 1. So from there it will take me to the nearest page. Actually Cricut is so good while working with it because it will prompt you, it will tell you what is next, so you don't have to worry. So it brought me to this next page. Then I went back because I actually forgot to mirror, so I went back to do the mirror. I need to mirror the image so it will come out in the right way. Then I'll just select my material. My material is iron. I've been using that for a while. Then I will select just go. Then my cut is ready. I did other ones behind the camera. So this is it. I don't think you can see the cut lines clearly, but I'll go ahead and peel. Then I'll be back to show you. So if you don't know how to do the peeling, just check previous video, you get to see. And here I have it. It's peeled. I peeled all the negative part, and it's looking really nice. And here you have what I peeled away from the original design. As you can see, it's still looking really good, not too bad. Even the trees are really nice. So right now, before I started peeling, I turned on my heat press and it's ready to be used. So I'll just go ahead and start prepping my shirt. I want to iron it first, so I'll clear all wrinkles. I'll make the space smooth for the iron-on, and then I'll just fold the shirt into two so I can get the half point. I did not do this on camera. Then I'll be measuring 3 to 4 inches from the neckline. So that is how I do most of my shirt, 3 to 4 inches for the neckline for adults, then 1 to 2 inches for children. So You can either use a towel or this heat resistant mat from Cricut, because what I'm doing is white, so that wasn't working for me, so I got a towel. So now I'll just spread the shirt out very well, then put my iron on heat. I also folded the iron on so I can get the half point, then place it on the half point of the shirt. So now I started pressing by pressing the Cricut button there. For this brand of iron on, the instruction came with it, and for solid you need 280 degree to 315. I did mine 320 just to be on the safer side, because I don't want the situation where it will not be adhering to the shirt. So most times I always had maybe like 5 degree more. So, and as you can see, it's pressed, so I did it front for 30 seconds and also to the back for 30 seconds. And as you can see, I'm peeling it warm. So that is what you want to do for iron on. You peel it warm. So that was the instruction on this particular brand. And then my shirt is ready. And as you can see, this is looking really nice. So let me know if you will be trying this out. Tag me on Instagram. Watch out for more Christmas content.
I hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun, right? Making the shirt. I really like it, and as you can see, it's looking so beautiful on me. If you have any question, if you need the SVG, or you are confused about anything, leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to them. And if you want to embark on a Cricut project, everything you need is in the description. Do well to check it out. Check videos where you can learn more about everything Cricut. So do well to subscribe, like this video. I know you enjoy it, right? Like it, give it a thumbs up, that is like down below. Then share with your friends, leave your comment, and do all of those good things that will make this channel grow. I really will appreciate that. Then let's be friends on Instagram. So I'll be giving away this for free. So make friends with me on Instagram and then chat me up, then you get this SVG for free. Then thank you so much for watching. This is your crafty friend telling you to create your own happiness because it's in your hands. Have a beautiful Christmas. Bye.